How are you all? Hope are all good? Feel excited to learn Vedic maths? You are most welcome in your own channel, Maths Wide Gyan with Anita Thakur. Today I will discuss one topic of Vedic maths, Magic of 99 series. Okay, let's start. So, today I will discuss a main topic of Vedic maths, multiplication with 99. It is a magic of 99. Multiplication with any series of 9. We will discuss multiplication of these. If normally we will multiply with this, it will take at least 2 minutes it will take if we multiply these numbers. But in Vedic maths, hardly it will take 14 or 15 seconds. We can multiply these all. Okay, so ready to learn this? Already? Before magic of 99 series, we have to learn complement of any number. What is the complement of any number? Okay, suppose here it is 3 digits number 3 to 7. We have to find complement of this number. What we will do? Here it is rule. Keep all make 9, last make 10. All make 9, last make 10. It is the rule for complement. What this rule says? All make 9, last make 10. So, we have to find complement of 3 to 7. What we will do? All make 9. Last make 10. In place of 3, we have to make 9. For this, we have to add 6. All make 9. In place of 2, it should be 7. Then it will be 9. In place of 7, 7 is last digit. So, here it will be 3. Last digit should be 10. All make 9. Last make 10. This is it, we will make 9. For this, we write 6 here. This make 9. For this, we write 7 here. 2 plus 7, 9. 3 plus 6, 9. And last digit, 10. 7 plus 3, 10. So, 6, 7, 3 will be complement of 3 to 7. Now, suppose you have to find complement of 4, 5, 8, 9. All make 9. Last make 10. All make 9. 4 ko we have to add 5. 4 plus 5 will be 9. 5 plus 4 will be 9. 8 plus 1 will be 9. 9. Last will be 10. Here it will be 1. So 5, 4, 1, 1 will be complement of 4, 5, 8, 9. Okay. Now suppose we have to find complement of 630280. Whatever the number, just keep in mind this rule. All make 9, last make 10. 6 make 9. It will be 3. 3 make 9. It will be 6. 0 make 9. It will be 9. 2 make 9. It will be 7. 8 make 9, it will be 1. No, last digit is, here last digit is 0. So, we consider this as last digit. So, write 2 here. Last digit should be 10. So, 8 plus 2 will be 10. And 0 in this place. 0 put as it is. And now consider 8 as last digit. Now consider this 8 as last digit. Last digit make 10. So in place of 8, we will put 2. So 8 plus 2 will be 10. 6. In place of 6, we write 3. In place of 3, we write 6. In place of 0, write 9. In place of 2, write 7. In place of 8, 8 is last digit. Last digit make 10. So we write 2 here and 0 as it is. So complement of 630280 is 369720. So simple. Understand how we calculate complement? All make 9, last make 10. By this rule, we can find complement of any number. What is complement? In general, if you can say, complement is subtraction of that number from base value. Here if it is 327, then base value will be 1000. Base value is 1000. If we subtract 327 from base value, what we will get? 673. You can calculate 7 3 10. 1 carry 7 2 9 0 69 and 10. So complement is subtraction of that number from base value. From base value, when we subtract that number, we get complement of that number. So in easy, if we don't want to subtract, just by placing all make 9, last make 10, we can find complement of any number. No need to subtract, just by making all 9 and last digit 10, we can calculate complement of any number. Hope you all understand complement of a number. How we can calculate complement of number. So simple. All make 9, last make 10. First put this rule in your mind and you can find complement of any number. Now come to the multiplication with 9 series. 99, 999, 4 times 9, whatever the 9 series. We have to find multiplication of with these number. So, ready hand? Feeling excited? It is a trick. What is trick? Answer will be in two parts. Left part and right part. What we will do in right part? Complement of this number. Either it is 78. 78. Complement of 78. All make 9. Last make 10. In place of 7, what we will do? 2. All make 9. For making 9, this we will write here 2. Last make 10. Again 2. 22 is the complement of 78. Now in left part, what we will write? One number less than from this number. Here it is 77, 22. So answer will be 77, 22. So simple. That's it. Just divide answer in two parts. In right part, complement of that number. In left part, one number less than from this number. Very simple. So come to this. 3 to 7, 999. Again, two parts. Left part and right part. In right part, complement of this number. All make 9. Last make 10. In place of 3, it will be 6. All make 9. In place of 2, it will be 7. In place of 7, last make 10. It will be 3. Now, in left part, one number less than this. 3, 2, 6. This is the answer. When we multiply 3, 2, 7, multiply 999, answer will be 3, 2, 6, 6, 7, 3. Hello, simple? Feeling interesting? Now it's 4, 5, 8, 9, 4 times 9. Same method. Left part and right part. In right part, complement of this, all make 9, last make 10. When I will 4 to 9, it will be 5, 5, 4, 8, 1. Last make 10, 9, 1. Okay. Here, one digit less than from this. It is 4, 5, 8, 8. When we multiply 4, 5, 8, 9 to 9, 9, 9, 9. Answer will be 4, 5, 8, 8, 5, 4, 1, 1. Now, lamba answer in a short method we can get. Is it easy? So simple. Just take complement of this in right part and one number less than from this number, we can get answer. Okay? Till now we discuss the series when number of nines is digits, number of nines is equals to number of digit, whatever the number right here, means here it is 2 digits, then here it also 2 digits, here it is 3 digits, then it also 3 digits. Now if here it is 2 digits, here 3 digits, here 4 digits, here 2 digits, here 3 digits, here 5 digits, whatever different number of digits in both numbers. So what we will do in this type of questions? Same left part and right part. Answer will be in 2 parts. In normal maths, when we calculate vertically. Suppose if in normal maths 2, 3, 7, 8, we have to multiply with 99. What we will do? First we will multiply with this 9. Then again by this 9. Then we will add both of these lines. We will do calculation vertically. But in Vedic maths, we do calculation horizontally. So, same left part and right part. In right part, what we will do? Here it is 2 digits. So, we will take 2 digits. We will take these 2 digits and complement of these 2 digits in this part. Here it is 27. Complement 27. All make 9. Last make 10. All make 9 means here it will be 7. Here it is 7. Last make 10. 73. 73 will be complement of 27. Now in left portion, left part, here it is 1. What we will do? Whatever the number left here, add 1 more and subtract from this number. See how? Here it is 1. 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. Now subtract 2 from this number. 1, 2, 7. Subtract 2. 1, 2, 5. So 1, 2, 5. 73 will be the answer. When we multiply 127 with 99, answer will be 125, 73. Let's see once again. First, in right part, we write complement of 2 digits. Here it is 2 digits. So, we take complement of these 2 digits. 27 and all make 9. Last make 10. All make 9. It will be 7. Here it is 7. Last make 10. Here it is 3. Now, 1 digit left. We add 1 more on this. So, it will be 2. Then 127, then subtract 2 from 127, we will get 125. So answer will 125, 73, multiplication of these two. Now suppose we have to multiply this. Here again it is 2 digits, left part, answer will be in 2 parts, left part and right part. In right part, complement of these 2 digits. Here it is 2 digits. 78 complement. 7. All make 9. Last make 10. 7. It will be 2. Last make 10. Again it will be 2. Complement of 78 is 22. Now here it is 23. 1 more digit from 23. It will be 24. So 2, 3, 7, 8 minus 24. What is the answer? 4, 5, 3, 2. Answer is 2, 3, 5, 4, 2, 2. When we multiply 2, 3, 7, 8 by 99, answer will be 2, 3, 5, 4, 2, 2. Hope you like this method by multiplying 99 series. If you like, please like and subscribe my channel, and please press the bell icon so that whenever I post new video, you can get notification of my video. Thank you. Happy Diwali. Bye bye.